Diagnostics. Most people are running high voltage ambition through low density wiring. This leads to thermal throttling, burnout caused by structural weakness, not lack of effort. The problem: you are losing energy to mechanical drag. Examples include guilt, clutter, and indecision. Also, external siphons, people and habits tapping your power line. The directive: today we stop trying to be productive and start engineering the grid. The revelation: liquid versus solid. Precipitation. Okay, most work is liquid. It disappears the moment you stop moving. The shift: a master builder focuses on solid state production. If it isn't a hardened asset, like a finished product or a secured contract, a logged result, it does not count towards your empire. Okay, I'm going to discuss gravity. Gravity is mass that attracts resources. You don't chase, you build a structure so heavy the world is pulled into it. Okay, now I'm going to go into discussing the protocol. It's in 3 phases. Phase 1, the diagnosis. We need to audit your infrastructure, identifying where the leaks are in your physical and digital workspace. Phase 2, the execution. Rerouting your currents into high yield zones using your specific time block that you're gonna put away specifically for a project or whatever you're building. Okay, it's gonna be a time block strategy to pour your concrete. Phase 3, the results. Observing what has hardened. Using the production log to verify your system density actually increased. Okay, we're moving to the command center. Managing the load. Also, I'm going to put on the screen a workbook or worksheet that I have inside of my manual for. Okay, you cannot manage a high density grid from memory. You need a single source of truth. And you need daily calibration and the evening debrief to clear the system cache. Okay, so in my manual 4, I discuss how to do all that. Alright, so the perimeter. If you're ready to stop leaking power and start building your spire, the technical blueprints are ready. I have a 46-page manual and a 2-page worksheet that goes along with it. And also I'll have on my stand store manuals 1 through 4 in a bundle. Alright, so the site is clear, the blueprints are yours. Build for density. And I also put the link to my stand store. I will pin it in the chat. Until next time.